Delhi residents woke up to severe air quality today, a day after the national capital had recorded the worst AQI in the country. Dense smog continues to blanket the NCR, reducing visibility. Now, as per the Central Pollution Control Board data, the AQI in Delhi's Anand Vihar has been recorded at 466, which is the severe plus category at 10 a.m. today. Well, the Delhi government today called a review meeting this morning. It was chaired by Environment Minister Gopal Rai, and addressing a press conference, Gopal Rai has said that the fog layer in Delhi due to low wind speed is expected to improve. However, the third phase of the graded response action plan, that's GRAP 3, will not be imposed for now. Well, that is what Gopal Rai said. He's also said even if Delhi's AQI goes in the severe category, the Delhi government will take all needed actions. Gopal Rai has also said there are a lot of political war of words happening on pollution, and that needs to stop. Well, let's first listen in to what Gopal Rai has said.
प्रदूषण के स्तर में तेजी से बढ़ोतरी हुई और हवा की गति कम होने से दिल्ली के ऊपर एक लेयर बनी है स्मॉग की, और उसकी वजह से जो प्रदूषण के कण हैं वायुमंडल में डिस्पर्स होने की वजह से वो सतह की तरह बने हुए हैं। लेकिन आज से हवा की गति में सुधार होने का अनुमान है। जो ग्रैप 2 के तहत निर्णय लिए गए थे, जो डायरेक्शंस दिए गए थे डस्ट पोल्यूशन के लिए, व्हीकल पोल्यूशन के लिए, बायोमास बर्निंग के लिए, उसको स्ट्रिक्टली ग्राउंड पर फॉलो किया जाए, जिससे कि ग्रैप 3 में जाने की स्थिति न पैदा हो। सभी परिस्थितियों पे सरकार पैनी नजर बनाए हुए है। हमारी कोशिश यही है कि ग्रैप 2 के नियमों को लागू करके और दिल्ली में प्रदूषण के स्तर को गंभीर श्रेणी में जाने से रोका जाए।
All right, my colleague Ishika also joining us from the Delhi Secretariat. We have Anushka as well joining us from the National Capital. Well, Ishika, let me come to you first. Delhi Minister Gopal Rai had chaired a meeting today, and just a while back, speaking to the reporters, he said that the air quality is expected to improve, and so the GRAP 3 measures are not being brought at the moment. First, take us through the AQI levels, in parts of Delhi. We do understand people are suffering. The AQI had turned very severe for the first time this season. Yesterday as well, today as well, we've seen how the air quality continues to dip.
Well, yes, Kitty. In fact, as you rightly mentioned, we are seeing that it is for the second day straight that the air quality index here in the national capital has been recorded above 400. In fact, it has, it is already 423 as we speak. Now, in fact, in different parts of the national capital, you'll see if you talk about Anand Vihar, if you talk about Ashok Vihar, if you talk about Chandni Chowk, if you talk about Central Delhi, everywhere, in fact, the air quality index currently has, in fact, crossed the 400 mark. So that is certainly very concerning, after which we did see that the concerned authorities were in a huddle. Yesterday, a meeting of the CAQM was called, and today the review meeting of the Delhi government on pollution was chaired by the Environment Minister Gopal Rai. And in fact, he said, just like CAQM, in fact, here also the Delhi government says that the air quality index is in fact predicted to improve in the coming days. And this, in fact, steep rise that we are seeing for the past 2 days, it is because the temperature has dipped and the wind speed is slow. But in the coming days, it is expected to improve, and that is why Graded Response Action Plan Stage 3 is not going to be implemented as of now. But on the other hand, let me also tell you that the political war of words also continues to intensify over this. Today, Gopal Rai, in fact, has attacked the central government, said that, Delhi government on its level is certainly trying, but the central government needs to come out with a joint action plan with the neighboring states, and only then there will be, more of impact on the ground.
Right.
He also today said that, it is the Delhi government certainly that issues the direction, but the implementation comes under Delhi Police, which comes under central government. So direction, if it is issued to the central government as well, there will be more of an impact that will be seen here in the national capital. Over to you.
All right, let me go across to Anushka also. Anushka, have flight operations also been hit? Well, we do understand a thick layer of smog continues to blanket the skies, and the Delhi minister, of course, has said that the air quality is expected to improve from today. We hope that happens, but until then, the situation continues to be quite severe. Well, tell us about the flight operations as well.
Certainly, Kitty, the flight operations has been affected largely in Delhi and neighboring states also. What we are seeing is that the flights are getting delayed by 30 to 40 minutes, not just for departure but for arrival also. 20 minutes is the maximum time in which the flights are getting delayed, and that is affecting the airline system and the people who are traveling from Delhi to other places. Right now also we are in Delhi NCR, and I'll request my camera person to pan the camera and show you the visuals from here. We can still see a thick layer of haze that has surrounded the city. We will try and talk to some people also. आपका नाम क्या है?
राहुल।
सर, हम लोग देख रहे हैं दिल्ली में AQI जो है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ख़राब हो चुकी है। क्या क्या दिक्कत हो रही है इसकी वजह से?
इसकी वजह से सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती है, थोड़ा सा क्या आँखों में जलन वगैरह होती है और बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है आने जाने में ना, इससे बड़ी दिक्कत है बहुत।
विल टॉक टू सम मोर पीपल। आपका नाम क्या है मैम?
दिव्या बंसल।
हम लोग देख रहे हैं दिल्ली में जो एयर क्वालिटी है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा ख़राब हो रही है, उसकी वजह से काफ़ी ज़्यादा परेशानी भी होती है लोगों को। क्या कुछ परेशानी महसूस करती हैं आप?
बच्चों को सबसे ज़्यादा परेशानी है, बच्चे अब बीमार हो जाएंगे, फिर ऑनलाइन क्लास होंगी, बच्चे पढ़ नहीं पाएंगे, सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चों के ऊपर इफेक्ट पड़ता है, बच्चों के स्कूल पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है। फिर अभी वो आ रहे हैं, एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, पढ़ाई का बहुत लॉस हो रहा है।
We are seeing that people are also continuously worrying about their loved ones, about the elders and the children that are inside their home. They are saying that they are getting quite concerned about sending them outside because of the current AQI situation that can be seen in Delhi NCR, and not only.
Yes, absolutely. Well, we have reactions also coming in from different parts of the national capital. Delhi and NCR, how people, of course, are really scared at the moment, not really able to go out to the parks or even meet their loved ones because of the smog outside. That is what they've been saying. All right, let me go across to Jayadhar Gupta, CEO and founder Nirvana Being Clean Air activist as well, joining us on the broadcast. Thank you so much, Mr. Gupta, for speaking to NDTV. What's the solution here? The Delhi Environment Minister has said that the GRAP 3 is not to be imposed right now. What needs to be done?
So, Kitty, let me first say that I see an attempt here to normalize an AQI. Earlier it was 300. Now we're trying to normalize levels of 450, 500, which is, again, it's just politics. They don't want to disturb the economy right before the Delhi elections. But this is absolutely ludicrous. Let me just tell you that it's safer today for the people of Delhi to drink their 2-3 liters of water that we consume every day directly from the Yamuna, which has become a nala, and not. I mean, the 12,000 liters of air that we consume a day is probably more toxic than drinking water directly out of the Yamuna, untreated. Okay? It's a really, really sad situation. It's a complete failure of government, both at a city, at a state and a central level. I mean,
what could have the government done that you're saying that they failed to do? What was needed to be done in the first place?
So let me give you examples of what other countries do. I think that'll be better, right? Because what other countries do is they incentivize good behavior and penalize bad behavior. So the first attempt is, of course, prevention. We have no preventative measures in this city. This Delhi government has been in power for 10 years. First they blamed Punjab. Then they keep shifting the blame, but we are not focusing on our local sources of emission. We know the local sources of emission. It's waste burning. It's burning everywhere.
Right.
I'm sitting in my office. When I drive in every day, there are heaps of garbage everywhere, and it's ignited. I can't stop it. I don't know how many people to fight with. It's the vehicular emission. So Paris does something very simple. Once the AQI exceeds 180, which is their level of emergency, they ban all vehicular traffic and make all public transportation free. We have to shut down schools.
Right.
I really would like the central government to step in, because this is the central subject. I want the health minister to speak. This is not going away. What Mr. Gopal Rai is saying, that the levels are going to get better, they are not going to get better till the 10th to the middle of February. Let me guarantee you this: nothing is going to get better. We are monitoring the situation. The levels are going to get better. Nothing is going to get better. There's no magic wand.
Okay.
1 or 2 days you may get precipitation, higher wind speeds, but it's going to go back to the same, because our habits are not changing.
Okay.
The messages that I'm getting from my child's school, both my children are sick. I don't know how we get out of this loop. We've been doing this as activists for 10 years. No change. It's only getting worse.
Okay, so you're saying that the Delhi government is giving false hope to the people that the situation is going to get better from today, but that looks very much unlikely.